Students, today we are going to learn articles. You know there are three articles, a, an and the. Let's take the first article, a. Now, how to use it? The article a is called the indefinite article and it is used before nouns starting with consonant sounds. For example, a teacher, a bag, or a book, a pencil, a rubber. It is used only with singular nouns. You cannot say a rubbers or you cannot say a books. It is a book or a rubber, a pencil. It is also not used with uncountable nouns. So you cannot say a water, a rice. So this word, this article a is used only before words starting with consonants and if they are singular. You also use article a with temporary illnesses like I have a headache, I have a cold, a fever, a backache. Next article is article n. Now article n is used before nouns starting with a vowel sound. You know the vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels in English. The rest of them are called as consonants. It is used before a singular noun. So you have an apple, an exam, an inkpot, an umbrella, an orange. Look at all these words. They are starting with a vowel and also have a vowel sound. They are not used before uncountable nouns. Now uncountable nouns are nouns which you cannot count. For example, you cannot say an ink or you cannot say an or. There are some exceptions to this rule. Now what are the exceptions? Now look at these words. European, one, useful, university, unicorn. All these words, though they start with a vowel, you do not use n, you use a because they start with a vowel but the sound is not of a vowel. So you say a European or you say a one rupee, a useful, a university, a unicorn. Why? Because they have the sound of YU, which is a consonant. Okay, they start with the consonant sound, though they are using the vowel. Understand? N is used before nouns which start with a vowel sound. So here there is a different case. You have the words which start with consonants. H and M. Both are consonants. But the sound that they make is of a vowel. So you say an hour. So the sound is hour. You don't say hour. You don't start with a consonant sound. It is hour sound. So an hour. You say an ame. Though the letter is a consonant, the sound is of a vowel. The next definite article is the. Now, when we speak about a particular person or a thing, we use the article the. Example that is given here is I met a doctor. The doctor was a child specialist. Now, why do I say the doctor in the second sentence? Because I'm referring to the same doctor who I've already talked about. So, to refer to any person as in a common noun, you use a before that common noun. But if you are referring to that person, particular person again, you will use the definite article the. For example, I met a girl. The girl was a dancer. Now look at the second sentence. Now the second sentence, the medicine you wanted is out of stock. Why did I use the medicine? Because you and I know which medicine we are talking about. It is that particular medicine which is out of stock. The next one is singular nouns that represent the whole class. Now, if I say the dog is a faithful animal, it means every dog is faithful. Every member of that species is faithful. If I say the mango is the sweetest fruit, it means every species, every mango is sweet. Okay, the next we'll see about the pronunciation of this article, the. Now, when this article is used before the word beginning with a consonant sound, you pronounce it as the. So it will be the second place, the blue button. But if it is used before the word beginning with a vowel sound, then you change the pronunciation. The pronunciation changes. That is, it becomes the effect, the engineer, the import. But if it is used for emphasis, then you say, do you mean the Armstrong? Here you use the longer vowel sound, the, and here it is the. Okay, so be careful with the pronunciation next time when you use it. Okay, use the with the names of rivers, seas, ocean, group of islands and mountain ranges. You say the Ganga, the Nile. For oceans, you say the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. With a group of islands, you say the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, the British Isles, then the Himalayas, the Everest. You use the article before the names of certain books. You say the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Ramayana. The is also used before common nouns which are names of unique things like the sun, the sky, the moon, the earth, the universe. And also if it is a unique post like the president or the pope, so you use the definite article the there as well. Now with the ordinals, you use the article the. Now what are ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 100, 1000. They are called as ordinals. The first paragraph, you say the 11th president, the Second World War, the 10th chapter. The is used with superlatives. Also, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Now with the superlative degree, you always use the article the. He is the smartest kid I have seen. She is the richest person. He is the most intelligent man in the town. You use the article the before musical instruments. Like you say the tabla, the flute, the violin. He plays the guitar. He plays the drum. In many common time expressions, we use the article the. For example, I read many romantic novels in the past. In the afternoon, my mother takes a nap. At the moment, we are in a long time. When do we omit articles? That is, when we should not use articles. Common nouns used in the widest sense. What kind of a root is this? Before names of material. For example, gold is precious. Wheat is available in plenty. Before proper nouns. Meena is a sweet girl. Goa is a beautiful state. Before abstract nouns. Honesty is the best policy. Knowledge is power. Students, this topic is quite interesting and quite easy if you remember a few rules. I hope you will be able to make good use of these articles. Thank you.